Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to import and install LUTs in Adobe Lightroom. I've had this question come up a lot. How do I use a LUT to color grade in Lightroom? And it is possible. So I'm going to give you guys the step-by-step rundown right now. So we have our image open and I want to color grade this image using one of my LUTs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close Lightroom. Yes, like to back that up. So we have to start this process in Adobe Camera Raw, and what we're going to do is go up to the upper right here, and this little tab is our presets tab. We're going to hit that, and you can see I've already made some presets here, and we're going to go down to the lower right, and it looks like a little post-it note that says new preset. And if you click that, you will see a whole dialog that will show you how to create new presets in Camera Raw. Now what we're going to do, let's hit cancel. We're going to hold Option on the keyboard and we're going to hit that again, and you can see a new window popped up that says new profile. So what we're going to do is create a new profile, and that way our LUT can be opened in Lightroom as a profile. So I'm going to call this one Cool and Lifted. And we're going to open up our Cool and Lifted LUT, some of you may be familiar with, and we're going to turn off all of our editing settings. These are just the settings that we've used to edit this photo, but we don't want that. We just want what is in our LUT. So we're going to go to Color Lookup Table and make sure Lookup Table here is unchecked and Color Lookup Table here is checked, and we're going to hit this and go Load Cube File. And then I can see I have some of my cube files, my LUTs here, and I'm going to select Cool and Lifted, one of my favorite LUTs to use. I'm going to load, and then you can see space, RGB, gamut, clip, minimum 0%, amount 100%, maximum 200%, samples 32. That looks good. We're going to go up to our group here, and I would like to put this in JT's profiles. Or you can create a new group. We can do that as well. We can call this new LUTs if we wanted to. You can name this anything you want to. That'll create a new group over here. Let's hit OK. That looks good. Now we can double check to make sure this worked. And we see our new group over here, Cool and Lifted. And now what's really awesome is I can take the amount here and turn this down to 0%. I can turn it up to 200%. That looks a little crazy, but I can find something kind of right in the middle there that looks good. So that is in Camera Raw. Now we can close Camera Raw. We can go over to Lightroom and we can check out our new LUT in Lightroom. So let's open Adobe Lightroom Classic. And now that we have Adobe Lightroom open, we can go to our profile. We can browse through our profiles here, and you can see down here our new group, new LUTs. Hit that and open our Cool and Lifted LUT. And just like in Camera Raw, we now have the ability to control the amount. So that is how you import and open LUTs in Adobe Lightroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, be sure to hit that like button and hit subscribe to see all of my videos. Also, if you like this Cool and Lifted LUT, you can take a look at my website, therunandgun.com, and check out my shop for all of my LUTs. And now you know how to use them in Adobe Lightroom. So that's all for this video. And until next time, get out and go shoot.